For example, we say today, we have Oshurtvi. Repeat after me, Yukta. Oshurtvi. Repeat after
Oh, sure, tui.
Yes. See, it is very important to understand because in a normal conversation, now for example, you say today. Today we have Oshurtvi. Is it clear to you, Yukta?
Yes, sir.
Repeat after me. Oshurtvi. Say
Oh, sure, tui.
yes. Say Claire. Yukta, I'm just getting a phone call. One sec, please. Hello. We have Oshurtvi. Oshurtvi is today. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, if I will say today. Now, how to convert the phrase in French? I explain to you. I use the word because whatever we are talking in English, we convert this workshop in French. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
that how today is what or should we? Now, first of all, you have to understand what is explain. Now, repeat after me. Explique. Yukta, this is a actual workshop training. It is not a pattern. See, I'm saying this is actual workshop training, so you have to convert also this in French. Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
Then only you can grip the pattern, right? So explique is to explain. Repeat after me. Explique. Can you repeat, please? Explique.
Explique is to explain.
Yes. And you know what? Now, for example, if I want to convert explique, because in French language, we have a conjugation, right? So explique is to explain, we have a conjugation. So j'explique. Why j'explique? Tell me. If I'll say I
I
explain,
explain.
j'explique, because what is the formula of e-learning verb? E-S-E, then tu explique. Repeat after me.
To explain.
Exactly. Say Claire. D'accord. Now
Yes,
what
sir.
we can say il elle explique. We can do like that. Nous expliquons. Pen down, please. Can you send it back to me? Explique a verb. Can you write it down in your notepad? Explique a verb and send it back to me in WhatsApp. I just want to see. I will say and you have to write immediately. Is it
Okay,
clear
sir.
to you? Now, j'explique, tu expliques, elle explique. You have to pen down. Nous expliquons because nous ending with ons. Tell me, Yukta.
Yes, sir.
Vous ending with ez. Vous expliquez and elles explique. Is it clear to you, Yukta?
Yes, sir.
So I can say j'explique, tu expliques, elle explique, nous expliquons, vous expliquez, elles expliquent. C'est clair?
Yes, sir.
Can you write it down and send it back to me?
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Write it down. Today I explain to you. Now, Yukta, what is today? Tell me what is today. Oh, should.
Oh, should we?
Okay. Now, how we can fabricate the sentence? Now, tell me what to say in Hindi. आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा. This is a fabrication. Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
But what is the English fabrication? Today is
Today.
आज. Okay. You explain or I explain to you. Tell me. Tell me
I
you.
explain to you.
Yes. But in English we have in if we take the translation from Hindi, I can say I you explain, tell me yes and no. Tell me
Yes, sir.
clear. So in French language, we take the help of Hindi fabrication. Is it clear to you?
Okay, sir.
So aujourd'hui is what? Today. Aujourd'hui is today.
Today.
I is je. C'est clair?
Yes, sir.
आपको is vous. C'est clair? And because you explain, je vous explique. I explain to you. C'est clair? Tell me yes and no. So aujourd'hui, je vous explique. Répétez après moi. Aujourd'hui,
Aujourd'hui, Je vous explique.
Je vous explique, because S is a consonant and E is a vowel, we have to combine. Or should we je vous explique? Say Claire. Is
Yes,
it?
sir.
Now, for example, let's make a sentence. You will say, now I tell you. If I will say, now I tell you. What is now? Maintenant. Repeat after me, Yukta. It's very important.
Maintenant.
Maintenant. Repeat after me, maintenant.
Maintenant.
Now. Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
Maintenant. Can you repeat after me? Maintenant.
Maintenant.
Now. Now, Yukta, I tell you what to say tell in French. We have verb dire. Dire is my verb to tell and to say. Is it clear to you?
Okay, sir.
Repeat after me. These very important conjugation. See, with this type of pattern, don't you think so, Yukta? This pattern will explain to you a lot of things. Now, whatever we are talking in English, you have to convert this in French. And this thing will do entire week so that you will speak the language out. Okay. Now, dire is a verb to say. If I will conjugate, I can say je dis is to I tell. Tu dis is to you tell.
You tell.
Il, el, di, we have the it, and you do understand the conjugation by heart. Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
Because these are the, if the verb, we do not have the formula. Okay. There's a lot of verb, we don't have the formula. So we have to understand those things by heart. So repeat after me. Je dis, tu dis, il, elle dit, nous disons. Repeat after me. Nous disons.
Yadi. Nous disons.
Vous dites.
Vous
Vous
dites.
dites. Is it clear to you, Yukta?
Yes, sir.
Repeat after me. Je dis is to I tell.
Yadi is to I tell.
Tu dis is to you tell.
Tu dis to you tell.
Il, elle dit is to he, she tells.
Il, elle dit is to he, she tells.
Nous disons.
Nous disons is
And
to
over here we have vous dites. We cannot say vous disiez. No. We have vous dites. Vous dites.
dites.
Yes. And il, elle, these. Is it clear to you?
Yes,
C'est
sir.
clair. So repeat after me. Je dis, tu dis, il, elle dit, nous disons, vous dites, and il, elle, these. Is it clear to you? If
Yes.
I asked you, now I tell you, now, maintenant, maintenant, in what is in Hindi format? मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Basically, in French language, we have to combine if we have a two subject in one line. If we have two subject, I and you, there is subject, right? So we have to combine the subject. So maintenant, je vous dis, I tell you. Say Claire, mademoiselle, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Say Claire.
Yes.
Maintenant, je vous dis. Now, for example, if I'm using for example, what to say for example? You have to ask to me whatever you're using. For example, par exemple, repeat after me,
Yes,
Yukta.
sir. Par exemple.
Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you? You have to use. What to say have to, must. Have to is must.
Must.
Use. What to say use in French. That how you're working for a pattern, Yukta. Now have to be a verb is devoir. Devoir is my verb to must, Yukta. Devoir. Devoir is my verb to must. Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you? Devoir. So convert devoir verb in the conjugation, because French language, Yukta, you have to listen my recordings, because we are working for a pattern, and in French language we have a verbs conjugation. Devoir is je dois, irregular verb. The
Yes.
verb, the verb, you have to learn by heart. Je dois,
To.
il, elle doit, c'est clair.
Yes, sir.
Nous devons, c'est clair. Vous devez, c'est clair, Yukta.
Yes, sir.
Vous devez, and il, elle doivent, c'est clair. If I will say I have to use, what to say use in French? Utiliser.
Utiliser.
Very good. So I have to use this word. Je dois utiliser. Is it clear to you, mademoiselle? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
C'est clair. D'accord.
Yes, sir.
Made up this?
Yes, sir.
For example, Par exemple. I will not say for example, I will say par exemple. Repeat after me. Par exemple. Repeat after me.
Par exemple.
Yes, par exemple. You want to buy something. If I will say you want to buy something, what is you want? Now, want is what, Yukta? Vulvar verb.
Boulevard.
We have done. What is the
Yes.
conjugation of vulvar verb? Je veux.
Tu veux.
Very good. Tu veux.
Elle veut.
C'est très bien, excellent. Il, elle veut. Nous voulons.
Nous voulons.
C'est clair.
Yes, sir.
Vous voulez.
Vous voulez.
Okay. And il,
Elle vous.
and wal. C'est clair.
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, if I'll say, I want, you want to buy something. You want to buy something. What is you want? Tell me. Tu veux? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
What is it to buy? Acheter.
Asked.
Acheter is the verb to buy. What is it something in French? Pen down. Quelque chose. Quelque chose is something, basically shows is my thing in French. Shows. Quelque chose is something. Repeat after me. Quelque chose. Repeat please.
Quelque chose.
And shows is my thing. So tu achete quelque chose. Yukta, that how you can speak language. Now, for example, you say you want to buy something. In English, you say you want to buy something. Now, repte after me. Tu achete quelque chose. Repte after me.
Tu acheter quelque chose.
Yes. If you will say respectfully to a person, then you will say vous voulez acheter quelque chose. C'est clair.
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, you say you want to say something to someone. If I will say Claire Gupta. If
Yes.
you will say you want to say something to someone, what is you want? Tell me, Yukta.
Tu veux.
You were exactement. Say Claire. What does it say? Tell me. Dir.
Dire.
Dir. What to say something? Quelque chose.
Quelque chose.
But is someone. Quelque. Basically,
Quelque.
I quelque. See something. Quelque chose. Someone. Quelqu'un. Because is my number one. Quelqu'un. Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
So tu veux dire quelque chose à quelqu'un because to is my preposition à. This à is my preposition which is in, at, and to. So you came to know a preposition à, and à we have a accent graph which is in, at, or to. I can say tu veux dire quelque chose à quelqu'un. C'est clair, mademoiselle?
Yes, sir.
Now ici I can say you want to buy something to someone, you want to blah blah blah. Now répétez après moi. Tu veux dire quelque chose à quelqu'un. Répétez après moi. Tu veux dire
Tu veux dire quelque chose à quelqu'un.
C'est clair.
Yes.
Now repeat after me. Vouloir is my verb to want. Now you can say what to say. You can say whatever. Yukta, you also participate in this. Whatever you're feeling in French, sorry, in English, ask to me. We can convert this in French. You can say, what is you can say? So we have a pouvoir. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So what is pouvoir verb? Je peux, and try. With these type of sense, you can speak French. Tu peux. C'est clair. Il, elle peut. C'est clair. Nous pouvons.
Il, elle pouvait.
Vous pouvez. Okay, and il, elle peuvent. Il, elle peuvent. C'est clair, mademoiselle?
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, if I will say, you can say, I can say, you can say, you can participate, you can blah, blah, you can eat. What to say in French? Tu peux dire. Exactement. Tu peux dire. You can eat. Now, for example, you are saying to someone, you can eat. What to say, Yukta? You can eat. Tu peux manger. Tu peux manger is a verb to eat. Remember,
Yes.
manger.
Yes, sir.
Tu peux manger. C'est clair.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you, Yukta? Clear?
Yes.
Now, for example, you go to the market. What to say market in French? Marché.
Marché.
Yes, E we have a sound. Marché. Marché is a market. What to say shop? Magasin. Magasin.
Magasin.
Yes, magasin. Répétez après moi. Magasin. Magasin is
Magasin.
my shop. Is it clear to you, Yukta? Magasin.
Yes, sir.
C'est clair. D'accord. Now, for example, what to say? Grocery product. Épicerie. Grocery you buy.
Yes, sir.
Épicerie. Use the language out. Épicerie. Épicerie.
AP3.
Yes. Épicerie. We have a grocery product. C'est clair. Groceries. What to say? Fruits and vegetable. Yukta. Les fruits et légumes. Fruits we have fruits and legume. Legume we have vegetables. Legume. C'est clair.
सर एक बार रिपीट करना इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन.
Marché is market. Répétez après moi. Marché.
Marché is market.
Yes. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
C'est clair. D'accord. Ici, par exemple, épicerie. Épicerie, we have
Grocery.
yes, grocery shop. Épicerie. C'est clair.
Yes, sir.
Les fruits. Les fruits, we have the fruits. Les fruits.
Les fruits.
Fruit. Fruit. UI sound is V. Les fruits.
Les fruits.
Fruit. What is the sound of UI? We have done UI
V.
sound, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
les fruits.
Les fruits.
Exactement. Les fruits. C'est clair. D'accord.
Yes, sir.
Et légumes. Légumes, we have vegetable. Légumes. C'est clair, mademoiselle.
Yes, sir.
So, répétez après moi, les fruits, les légumes. C'est clair, mademoiselle.
Yes, sir.
C'est clair, d'accord. Okay. Now, repeat after me, please. Les fruits, les légumes. C'est
Les
clair.
fruits et légumes.
Yes, the fruits and vegetables. Is it clear to you, mademoiselle?
Yes, sir.
C'est clair? D'accord.
Yes.
Now, for example, you go to the shop. What to say you go to the shop in French? Tell me. You go to the shop. Tell me how to convert this. You go to the shop. What is my go? Ali is my verb to go, Yukta?
Way.
Tell me. Ali is my verb to go?
Yes, sir.
C'est clair. D'accord. C'est clair. Now,
Yes, sir.
Ali, I can say je vais. Tu vas, you know, we have an irregular verb. C'est
Yes, sir.
il, elle va. Nous allons. So first of all, in your beginner level, you have to understand the conjugation. Vous allez and ils, elles vont. C'est clair. Is
Yes, sir.
it true? So if I will say, you go to the shop, what to say? Tell me. What is you go?
Tu vas.
Very good. Tu vas. Listen to me very carefully, Yukta. Very important verb. Very important sense. You know what? What is to the shop? Clear? Now, Yukta, to, we have a. What to say to? To, we have a. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now, Yukta, you know, in French, we have three type of the. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Le,
Le, le,
la,
la, le.
le. C'est clair?
Yes, sir.
A combined with le. So it is converted into O. C'est clair?
Yes, sir.
When to the, when we have a female, that it converted into ala only. C'est clair? And when
Yes.
a combined with the plural, which is le, that is converted into aux. C'est clair?
Yes, sir.
This is my preposition. C'est clair?
Yes.
D'accord. So shop is my male. I can say
Yes.
to the shop a le magasin. I can say au magasin because
Oh, my.
le is combining with o. So tu vas au magasin. Répétez après moi. Tu vas au magasin. C'est clair?
Tu vas au magasin.
C'est clair?
Yes.
D'accord. Now, for example, you go to the shop and you say, I want to buy something from this shop. Pen down, please. I want to buy something, because today we'll come to know the pattern of preposition also. From is my preposition. Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
So if you say, I want to buy something from the shop, say glad Yukta. What is I want? Tell me.
Je veux.
Yes. Je veux, what to say buy? Achete.
acheter
What is something? Quelque chose.
quelque chose
Exactly. Je veux acheter quelque chose au magasin from the shop. Au, well, to the shop, I can say. Okay. Au magasin. C'est clair. Is
yes
it clear to you? Clear, Yukta?
yes
Now, for example, you go to the shop, it means tu vas au magasin et and I will say, I want to buy something from the shop. Je veux acheter quelque chose au magasin. C'est clair? Okay.
yes sir.
Now, what is wander? Repeat after me. Wander. Repeat after me.
Wander
Repeat after me. Wander.
wander
Wander basically we use for a salesman. Wander. C'est clair.
yes sir.
Répétez après moi. Wander et wonders. Repeat after me.
Wander
A wonders.
a
Wonders.
wonders
Wonders is used for a female, and wander is a male salesman. If a female salesman, I can say wonders. Say Claire.
yes sir.
Now, for example, a salesman. A salesman. Pen down, please. Ask to you. Ask to you. What to say? Ask in French. I can say poser is my verb to ask. Repeat after me. Poser is my verb
Pose
to
is
ask. Say Claire.
pose is my verb to ask.
Demande. Demande is my verb to ask and to request. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes. Or no.
The monte is my verb to ask and
Now,
request.
for example, a salesman requests to you. A wander. Now, for example, pen down please in English. A salesman request. Pen down please. A man request to you. Say Claire. D'accord.
Yes sir.
So, a salesman, I can say a wander. A man, I can say a nom vous demande. It means, see, a nom is what? That's a he, she format. He asked to you. We have a two subjects. What are two subjects over here? Man and vous. Now, for example, in Hindi conjugation, आदमी आपसे पूछता है. Say Claire.
Yes sir.
आदमी a nom, आपसे vous. Demande is my verb to demande because a nom will conjugate with demande. Say Claire. Is it clear to you?
Yes sir.
A nom vous demande. It is very important pattern, Yukta. Say Claire. A nom vous demande. Now, for example, a man asks to you, what, pen down please, what you want to buy? Say Claire. What you want to buy? Que veux-tu acheter? Que. Que is my,
Oh,
que, tu veux, because this is my
you
question.
want
Yes, because what you why? Because in making question, we have done right, Yukta, in making a question. So
yes sir.
verb will be inserted first and subject will be after. So ka what you ashite. Now, for example, this is see that how this is a conversation. These are theaters basically. Obviously, we'll go for a script and we'll create the theaters. But ka what you ashite, what you want to buy. Say Claire.
Yes sir.
Now, for example, you say I want to buy. Now, for example, I want to buy the vegetables. Say Claire, is it
Yes
clear to
sir.
you? I want to buy the fruits, you can say. Say Claire. So what you will say? Je,
Lefavi.
je veux acheter. I want to buy also, no?
Okay,
Je
okay.
veux acheter les légumes et les fruits. Say Claire.
Yes sir.
Say Claire. And
Yes
person
sir.
will say, of course. Person can say, of course. You can buy. Of course. You can buy. Bien sûr. Répétez après moi. Bien sûr, we have of course. Bien sûr. Bien
Bien sûr.
sûr, you can. Tu veux, tu peux. You can buy. Of course, you can buy. Tu peux acheter. C'est clair.
Yes sir.
Now, person will say there are lot of things in my shop. There are lot of things. There are lot of things. Now, Yukta, you have to try yourself. Whatever you're talking in English and in Hindi, just try to convert those in French. Say Claire. And with the
Yes.
help of this of technique, you will come to know what is there is or there are. We have done already. Ilya. We have done Ilya. Is there is and there are Ilya. Yukta Ilya.
Yes, sir.
What is Ilya? There is and there are. Say
Yes,
Claire.
sir.
Ilya beaucoup de choses. There are a lot of things.
Then
Beaucoup de choses. Lot of things. What to say? Lot of things. Beaucoup de.
Boku.
Okay. Dont ma. Now, for example, if I'm saying il y a beaucoup de choses, I can say there are a lot of things. Okay. Il y a beaucoup de choses ici. Ici, I can say here. I'm using there are a lot of things here. Ici, ici is here. Il y a beaucoup de choses ici. Répétez après moi. Il y a beaucoup de choses ici. Ici is my here. C'est clair.
Il y a beaucoup de choses ici.
You see now, for example, say I want to buy fruits and vegetables. I say, yes, there are a lot of things here you can buy. There are a lot of things here. Il y a beaucoup de choses ici. Tu peux acheter. You can buy. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Say Claire. D'accord.
Yes, sir.
Now you will say, now what to say discount? You will say, can you give? Now, first of all, you have to understand what to say give in French. Donner
Donner.
is my verb to give. Yes, Yukta. See, dramatically, we are picking the portion of speaking so that you will come to know a lot of vocab and you can speak the language out. Now, Yukta, you can speak. You can speak. What to say you can speak? Tell me. Tu peux
Tu peux.
parler. C'est clair.
Yes, sir.
Now, over here, we have pattern. What discount? Pen down, please. What discount? Say Claire. You can give. Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
Because what to say? Because I am a student. Say Claire. Or either you
Yes.
can say what discount you can offer. What? Pen down, please. What discount? Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
You can offer. Say Claire.
Yes.
Now, what to say discount? Reduction. Discount we have reduction. You know reduction.
Yes, sir.
Quelle réduction? What discount? C'est clair. Vous pouvez, you can give. Vous pouvez donner. C'est clair.
Yes.
Quelle réduction vous pouvez donner? Parce que. Parce que we have because. What to say because in French? Parce que.
Ask.
Yes. This is a pattern, Yukta. I can say quelle réduction vous pouvez donner parce que je suis étudiant, because I'm a student. Quelle réduction vous pouvez donner parce que je suis étudiant? C'est clair.
Yes, sir.
Now, what discount you can give? Vous pouvez donner parce que je suis étudiant. C'est clair. Quelle réduction vous pouvez donner parce que je suis étudiant? Because I am a student. C'est clair, Yukta.
Yes, sir.
C'est clair.
Yes, sir.
Person can say, or either you can say what discount we call it reduction, and discount I'm going to give you a lot of vocab over here. Remise. Remise is also the discount. Remise.
Remise.
Yes, because we are working for the synonym. So, quelle réduction vous pouvez donner parce que je suis étudiant? Quelle remise vous pouvez offrir? You can offer. Offrir is a verb to offer. C'est clair.
Yes, sir.
Quelle réduction vous pouvez donner? Quelle remise vous pouvez offrir? C'est clair, mademoiselle.
Yes, sir.
Claire, person can say, okay, I can give you, or I can give. Say Claire, I can give you 10% discount. 10% kuch bhi, I can say. Is it clear to you? Or either
Yes,
you
sir.
can say, I can give you 4% discount. Anything you can write it down. Say Claire. Person will say, okay,
Taco.
d'accord, I can give you. Je peux vous
Je peux donner.
je peux vous donner, because मैं दे सकता हूं आपको, मैं कर सकता हूं आपके लिए. See, first of all, je peux, I can, then we have to insert verb, subject, then verb. Je peux vous donner. C'est clair, mademoiselle?
Yes, sir.
Je peux vous donner 4% de réduction. 4 is my number 4. Pourcent we have the percent, the réduction. C'est clair?
So number 4 is quatre.
Quatre. Yes, quatre. Quatre is number 4. C'est clair?
Yes, sir.
D'accord. Okay. So now, for example, can I rub this? May I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Now, Yukta, if you're asking for a permission, very important to understand. Now, for example, if you're asking a permission in terms of yes or no, just say if I ask to you, can I rub this? If it means I'm taking a permission from your side, may I rub this or not? So permission, granting a permission, we have to use ask. Repeat after me, ask. Ask
Ask.
is a pattern wherein if you say, is it fine? Now, for example, if you say, may I do that? May I do that? I can say, because I'm asking a permission, ask. Ask, I can is je peux faire ça. Faire is my verb to do. Ça is my that. C'est clair, mademoiselle. Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
C'est clair. Yukta, I'm just getting a phone call. 1 second, please. Yeah. 1 second. Now repeat after me. Est-ce que je peux faire ça? Repeat after me. Est-ce que.
Est-ce que je peux faire ça?
Yes. Repeat after me. Est-ce que je peux faire ça?
Est-ce que je peux faire ça?
C'est clair. D'accord. So, est-ce que je peux faire ça is my that. C'est clair, Yukta. Ça is my that. So, est-ce que je peux faire ça? It means may I do that. Est-ce que je peux faire ça? C'est clair, mademoiselle?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Now, can you give it to me? Pen down, please, in English. Can you give it to me? Can you? I'm asking permission. Ask. Say clair, Yukta.
Yes, sir.
Chupa, you can. मुझे दे दोगे म दोने. Say clair. Ask chupa म दोने. Say clair, Yukta.
Yes, sir.
Ask chupa म दोने. Say,
Madhuri.
is it clear to you? Can you give it to me? Ask chupa म दोने. Say clair. Now, can you give
Yes.
it to me? Ask chupa म दोने. This very important pattern, Yukta. Say clair. Ici, c'est votre réduction. We have a discount. Remise, we have a discount. Réduction. Repeat after me. Réduction. Remise is
Ramesh.
discount. C'est clair, mademoiselle?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you, mademoiselle?
Yes, sir.
D'accord. Yukta, you tell me session heavy to नहीं हो रहा बच्चे?
Yes, sir. ठीक है.
No, I can stretch the session if you want. I have to do practice and I will share the recording also. Tell me, we can go ahead with the next conversation or first you'll do practice with this. Tell me.
Yes, sir. First, I'll practice this.
Yeah, because session should not get heavy. So Yukta, this is session. Now we'll do a lot of things in the pattern. Say Claire. Now you can speak. Acha, okay, if I'm saying you can speak, what to say you can speak in French? Tu peux parler. Say Claire.
Tu peux parler.
Yes, now you can grip the portion and you can speak. Say Claire. I can give.
Yes, sir.
Je peux donner. Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
D'accord? Practice hard with the session. So I'm going to share a recording in the next 5 minutes. ठीक है? Okay?
Okay, sir.
चलो, au revoir, à bientôt.
Over.